Hello students, this video is about Form 3 Science and Chapter 14.3. We will talk about plastics. You can see in this picture, in the old days, we use wood, metal, maybe iron to make many products. But now we use plastic to make the products. Okay, so you can see the difference: wood, iron, metal, plastic. Okay, you can see many products are made by plastics. Okay, the original raw material is naphtha, and plastic is mainly made from naphtha. Okay, how can plastics made from naphtha? Okay, we use one example. This is polythene. Okay, and shopping bags. Commonly, we use polythene to make shopping bag. Okay, at first, there is hydrocarbons in naphtha. Okay, one example is ethene. Okay, and this is small hydrocarbon molecules, very small. You can see just 2 carbon atoms and 4 hydrogen atoms combined together, and then we have ethene. And now we have thousands of ethene molecules. Okay, we have a lot of ethene molecules. And then we heat them, give pressure, and add some special chemicals. And then the very small molecule will join together. They will join together and join together. Okay, and then become a long chain macromolecule. And this process, this reaction, we say polymerization. Okay, from small molecule become very large molecule. And we will say the small molecule is monomer. After polymerization, they become a macromolecule. And the very large macromolecule, we will say polymer. So, ethene is one example of monomer, and then polythene is one example of polymer. Okay? Now we will talk about the making of the plastic. You will see that 3 of them are plastic. Okay, now we talk about making one type of plastic. We have a lot of different plastic. Now we talk about polystyrene. Now we have a video. Okay, we watch the video.
Polystyrene is a common type of plastic. It's made from styrene, which comes from one of the fractions of crude oil. Now let's make a polystyrene gift using styrene. Pour styrene into a cup. Add several drops of blue catalyst into the styrene and stir it slowly. Avoid forming air bubbles inside the cup. Then add an equal amount of colourless catalyst into the cup and stir it again slowly. Apply some lubricant to the inner wall of a container. Then fill half of the container with the mixture. You can place a small object into the container and then fill up the container with the same mixture. This is the finished product.
Okay, after the video, we discuss about the experiment. Okay, at first, we prepare a paper cup and we prepare a small object. At last, the plastic will cover the small object and then we will have a gift object. Okay, we have styrene. As you see, it is in liquid form. Okay, take a look of the styrene. What is it? It is a colorless, sticky liquid. And then we add a few drops of blue catalyst, just small amount, so just 6 drops is good enough. And we are just Form 3 students. So what is it? We not yet discussed this. If you like, you can study chemistry later. Maybe we will discuss in a higher form. Okay, and then we stir slowly. Remember, if you stir too strong, you may produce air bubbles, and that is not good. And then we add 6 drops, okay, small amount of colorless catalyst. And I'm sorry, we will not talk about this. We will learn this maybe in a higher form. Anyway, some kind of chemical. And then also stir slowly to prevent to produce air bubbles. And then you can fill the paper cup. Because a chemical reaction is carry on, it will give out heat. So you maybe feel warm. So what do your hands feel? Your hands feel warm. The chemical reaction will give out heat. And then you wait for 30 minutes for the reaction to carry on. And then you will find that the plastic is solidified. Okay, you can tear off the paper cup and then you will have the colorless solid. Okay, the plastic is surround the small object. Okay, so this is the reaction. At first, we have monomer. Of course, we need to add some chemical, that is the catalyst. And polymerization will carry on. And the monomer will become polymer. And in this experiment, the example we use is the monomer is styrene. After polymerization, the styrene become polystyrene. So this is small molecule and this is very large molecule. Okay, and the polystyrene dyes can be added and then we can do molting And the polystyrene can produce different type of products. Okay, I pause here.